love it.
It's a skull.
I love it.
This is our truck.
Yep, toys.
This is the baby duck.
Uh-huh. For Adam.
A pirate duck. This is a bag to put our wet clothes inside. And this is my goggles because I want to swim with goggles.
Uh-huh.
This is a minion towel.
Adam's towel.
Yeah. Okay. Here's one open for you.
Wow.
Minions. We got a bottle of water, another towel, which is Ninja Turtles,
Which is Ryan's towel.
and it's Ninja Turtle. My towel. Oh yeah, and we got sunscreen and some snacks, so we won't get hungry. It's our snacks. Cookie dough. These are the snack bars, and we got some juices. I'm ready to drink one right now. And here is one for Adam. Now we give the juice to Adam, and also to me. Now it's time to drink our juice. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button. Something else is in the bag. It's called the notification bell. So you can click it anytime, if you want. Bye. Don't forget to comment down.